Oh, pantulog and sweatshirt. Pang winter. Ba't ang dami mong gift? Tilimon. Alam nila, 10 years old ka pa. Yan. Wow, it's a fancy. It's good, yeah. 14, 16 pa, yeah. Wow, it's a nice one. Wow, it's from Amazon. Yung shipping ako, no? Oh. Uy! Uy, pang-swimming. Nice. Thank you very much.
It's the princess time.
Kung ano ang present sa'yo ni ma'am.
Yan ba siya? Okay.
It says Chisea.
Okay.
Okay.
Grab it.
Open it.
Open it.
Wow, that's heavy. Maybe there are lots.
What's that one?
I think that one too. Oh yeah.
Uy. Uy. Oh, may gift si mami dyan. Surprise. Princess. This is the princess in the house.
I guess clothes.
What is that?
From
Wow, football jacket.
what's
Oh,
this
it's a
one?
Blue Bombers. Yay! May pansuot ka na manunod tayo ng Blue Bombers, ha?
The feeling is something cool.
Oh, Pita Mama, nice! That's your favorite!
Wait, is there
sure.
something inside the Pita Bag? Clothes. Wow! I think clothes in the white tie.
Wow! Winnipeg Jet! Wow! Parang sporty ngayon ang gift mo, ah. Ah.
Bigyan mo sa akin yung mga ano, anak.
Wala, hinahanap ko pa si Connor, eh. Wala kang size. Another one. Oh, it's a blanket!
Give me your...
What is, ano yan?
It's a blanket.
Oh, bed sheet. Wow. Ano yan yung by wishlist mo? Oh, okay.
It's Jordan.
It's Jordan too.
I thought this was Atis.
Ha?
Yeah.
Show it to me, show it to me. Ibubuksan mo siya.
Give me. Kunin mo siya.
Check the size.
Wow. Look at that.
5.5.
Oh, that's yours.
That's yours. I-gift ni Madamon na eh. Wow, Jordan shoes. Wow, nice. Jordan 1. Oh, may pakpak oh, guys. Oh. Mamahalin tong sapatos na ito. Look at that. I like it. Ooh, look at that. Huh? Ooh, it's another shoes.
I don't know.
Wow. Oh, tignan mo yung size.
6.5.
6 and a half. Ayan, size 3 lang pala eh. Mali lang yung box. Look at that.
3.
Yeah. Mm.
Do Ate Cheche from Elias.
Elias?
I feel like something smaller than that.
What's that?
Wow.
Lip
Oh, lip oil.
lip oil.
Olive oil. Wow, nice.
Lip oil.
Thank you.
Hindi ka na bibili, right?
Free yun. Bigay mo kay ate isa.
2.
Sa atin yung isa.
Gisea from Romella and Raymond.
O Jordan din yan. Ha?
Oh, wow.
Wow.
And what's that?
Ooh, it's a jumper.
Oh no, it's a
O dress. Wow, pang may pang-party ka na. Yeah.
jacket.
Yeah. Nice.
Nice.
Parang kanya na, parang stylish ah.
From Ethan and Brooklyn.
Ooh.
Gift card. Wow.
Wow! Amazon.
Chocolate.
Wow.
Hot chocolate.
May ganyan din si Iman.
Yeah, it's right here.
They probably gave it to
I'll put the
We're matching.
where you're matching.
Lillian and Aka matching.
Is that a
Wow.
Tamagotchi?
What's
Yes.
Tamagotchi.
that? What is it nga? Game? Oh, a game?
It's like an animal.
Ah.
The pet.
It's a pet? Oh, game machine.
But it's ano?
Game from Landon and Layla.
Oh.
Something. Oh, it's a C.
It's letter C on it. It's so cute. Ano
I
ito?
saw that.
Ah, it's
Okay.
ano anak, yung bag na pa ganon.
O pwedeng pang cellphone.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
And it has letter C.
Thank you very much.
It's from,
Ooh, heavy.
that's from Ninang Pam.
To Chisea from Ninang Pan.
Maybe that's
Oh, look.
Ganda
It's
ng
heavy.
ano. Picturean mo dati. Yeah?
Yeah. Wow.
It's a
Let's just say it's a baker. Yeah,
Wow.
we expect
Can I
that you
keep-
bake for us now.
Can I keep this
Now we
one?
buy.
To Ate Check from Ben and Taylor. It's Ben Taylor. Ben and Taylor. Oh, they got lots of tape.
Use the ano.
Got lots of tape.
Na ano ba?
Wow.
Oh, wow. Little Mar.
Oh, pantulog and pang
No, it's a sweatshirt.
sweatshirt. Pang winter.
It's a nice sweatshirt.
Ba't ang dami mong gift?
To Cheche from Tita Lisa, Tito
Pilimon.
Limon. Yeah.
Alam nila na 10 years old ka pa lang. Yeah.
Close.
Wow. It's
Wow, it's a fancy.
I think it's too small.
14, 16.
It's good, yeah.
It's just a sweatshirt. Kaya ano.
14, 16 pa, yeah.
You have one more.
One more. To Chisea
From?
from AJ, LA, and JP.
Wow, it's a nice one.
Mom's gonna save it for next year.
Wow, it's from Amazon. It's shipping ako, no? Oh.
If it's out of water, it's something crazy.
Ha?
Uy!
Clothes.
Uy, pan-swimming.
Has it.
I have the same. I have the same one.
Sila na sa'yo, so siya naman. Right?
Mama May got me that.
Nice. Thank you very much.